and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing Excalibur operating system ICO. This ICO focus on creating a all different operating system, and you can earn by using the Excalibur operating system. Of course, you know there's Apple operating system, there's Linux, Ubuntu, there's Windows. Excalibur will be a different operating system. And of course, you know, hacking virus is one of the major problem focusing on that people who use Windows and Apple face. Now, Excalibur plans that with the operating system, you will not be able to have issues with virus and hacking and all the rest. And you can see the roadmap here. Well put together, and let's see the team member. Suraj Zingbis, I believe most of them should be from India. Dr. Sanjay Agrawal, Amnon Agarwal, and all the rest here. And a team of advisors. Giovanni Casagrande is a popular guy I mean, a lot of he's an expert in the ICO field, and he has been an advisor for different ICOs. Different ICOs. So scroll down more. Now let's go here, and this is the reviews on ICO bench 4.2, and the token name or symbol is XOX. One XOX, you can see the it is 0.0025 Ethereum, and there's bonus available. Is based on Ethereum blockchain ERC20 token, and the minimum investment is 0.25 Ethereum. That should be somewhere around $50 or $60 minimum. Now they plan the soft cap, that's the minimum they want to raise, is 5,000 Ethereum, and the hard cap is 45,000 Ethereum. The country is India, if you can see from the team members, and you need to get whitelisted. You need a KYC to be able to get involved in this ICO. And if you're United States, you're from Canada, you're from North Korea and China, you cannot be involved in this ICO. You cannot. So what is my view? I believe Excalibur operating system should be a very good one because it's going to make life easier. Will become more safer to use the internet to use the operating system with. So I'm leaving the link of this ICO below. You can sign up for this ICO. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. And before you go, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. Till next time I come your way.